Obstructing or hindering a person executing a crime scene warrant is an offense under Section 96(1) of the Law Enforcement Powers and Responsibilities Act, 2002, which carries a maximum penalty of 2 years in prison. To establish the offense, the prosecution must prove beyond reasonable doubt that you knowingly obstructed or hindered a person who was executing a crime scene warrant. Section 94 of the Act provides that a police officer may apply to an authorized officer for a crime scene warrant. If the officer suspects on reasonable grounds such a warrant is necessary to preserve, search for, or gather evidence at a specified premises that relates to a serious indictable offense or any offense that is being, was, or may have been committed in connection with a traffic accident that has resulted in death or serious injury. An authorized officer includes a magistrate or registrar of a local court and any employee of the Attorney General's Department who is authorized to issue a crime scene warrant. A serious indictable offense is one that carries a maximum penalty of at least 5 years in prison. An authorized officer may grant the warrant if satisfied there are reasonable grounds for doing so. Crime scene warrants authorize police and those they direct to enter a specified premises and establish a crime scene. Section 95 of the Act provides that a crime scene warrant additionally authorizes officers and those they direct at or in relation to a crime scene to a. Direct a person to leave or remove a vehicle, vessel, or aircraft. B. Remove a person who fails to comply with a direction to leave or remove a vehicle, vessel, or aircraft. C. Direct a person not to enter the crime scene. D. Prevent a person from entering the crime scene. E. Prevent a person from removing evidence from or otherwise interfering with the crime scene or anything in it, and, for that purpose, detain and search the person. F. Remove or cause to be removed an obstruction. G. Perform any necessary investigation including, for example, search the crime scene and inspect anything in it to obtain evidence of the commission of an offense. H. For the purpose of performing any necessary investigation, conduct any examination or process. I. Open anything that is locked. J. Take electricity, gas, or any other utility for use at the crime scene. K. Direct the occupier or a person involved in the management or control of the premises to maintain a continuous supply of electricity. L. Photograph or otherwise record. M. Seize and detain all or part of a thing that might provide evidence of the commission of an offense. N. Dig up anything. O. Remove wall or ceiling linings or floors of a building or panels of a vehicle. P. Perform any other function reasonably necessary or incidental to the foregoing. You're not guilty of the offense of obstructing or hindering a person executing a crime scene warrant if you establish on the balance of probabilities that you had a reasonable excuse for your conduct. General legal defenses to the charge include duress, necessity, and self-defense. If you are able to raise evidence of a general legal defense, the onus then shifts to the prosecution to prove beyond a reasonable doubt that the defense does not apply to the circumstances of the case. You are entitled to an acquittal if the prosecution is unable to do this.
Going to court. Call Sydney Criminal Lawyers on 9261 881 to arrange a free first conference. Watch our latest video here.